In today's video, we'll create this amazing label design for a food product. So, let's begin. First, open Canva. Click on Create. Search Circle Label. We'll take this food label. Go to Elements. Scroll down and open Frame. Search Circle. Take this one. Adjust its size and position. Click on Stroke. Take Line Stroke. Set it to 0.2 pixels. Go to Photos. Search red and white gradient background. Add this image. Click on Edit Image, then Filters. Choose Bali Filter Effect. Click on Flip. Apply vertical flip. Place it on the frame. Go to Elements. Add a circle shape. Adjust its size and position. Click on Stroke. Add line stroke and set size to 1 pixel. Click on Color. Set it to transparent. Change stroke color to orange. Go to Elements and search Classy Circle. Go to the Graphics section. Add this one. Change its color to orange. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type name. Go to Font. Search Chewy. Choose this font. Change font size to 30. Change its color to orange. Go to Effect. Apply Outline Effect. Set thickness to 100. Change it to a light color. Adjust its position. Duplicate and add text. Reduce its size. Change it to the opposite color. Duplicate and add another text. Reduce its size. Change its color. Go to Effect. Choose Curve. Set angle to 60. Adjust its position. After this, lock the frame. Go to Elements. Search mango cubes and mango fruit. Go to Photos. Add this image. Remove its background. Adjust its size and position. Next, search Jam Splash. Go to Photos. We'll add this one. Adjust its position. Send it behind the mango. Go to Elements and search Water Splash. Go to Graphics. Add this splash. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Apply Classic Effect. Place it behind the mango. Next, search Mango Leaf. Go to Photos. Add this leaf. Click on Edit, then Filter. Apply Vinto Filter Effect. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and add more. Now, select this leaf. Go to Edit, then Blur. Select the whole image. Set it to 90. Now, copy this style and paste it to the other leaf. After this, search Holographic blur. Go to the graphics section. Add this one. Adjust its size and position. Place it behind all objects. Same way, add more. After this, add text. Search impact. Choose this font. Change font size to 12. Change its color to light orange. Go to Effect. Apply Hollow Effect. Select Curve. Adjust its angle. Set letter spacing to 150. Duplicate and add text. Reduce its size. For this, remove Hollow Effect. Adjust its angle. Set letter spacing to 40. Duplicate and add ingredient text for the below section. Choose orange color. Remove curve. Apply outline effect. Set thickness to 80. Change its color to light. Set letter spacing to 100 and line spacing to 1. Our label design is ready. Let's see how it looks. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.